look small.
All right, Jacob, you're cued.
Hi.
No, you're...
Oh, we're live.
All right. Okay, Evan, your turn.
All right. Why don't you go ahead and start us off, Caleb?
Oh, sweet. All right, sounds good. Today I recorded 4 videos for the Core ML course. Did some social media stuff. I streamed live on Instagram for a little while. Kind of like I thought it would be cool to stream live on Instagram while I was recording a course video. So like people got kind of like that insider access. So I did that for a while and then posted the replay of the live video as a story for 24 hours, which is kind of cool. I might do that more often, or maybe do like just kind of brief informal Q&A kind of stuff. Just to, the more we can be live, the more people see us on Instagram. And I also figured something else out that's kind of cool. In stories, by tagging, like you can tag a location now and you can put in a hashtag. And by doing both of those, we show up in like that location, that hashtag story. So we're getting like 200 extra views every time we do that.
Nice.
That's sweet. So anyway, I noticed that today. It's crazy.
Yeah, just kind of optimizing some stuff and like, yeah. So anyway, that's what I got done.
Caleb, quick question. Can you put any location in, or does it grab your phone's device locations?
Any location. So like pretty much whenever I'm doing stuff, I'm posting it in slow, but I can put it anywhere.
All right, cool. I'm going to send you some locations.
Yeah. Do it, man.
Yeah. Don't get slow, man. Forget slow.
I know. Yeah, it was just better to have a location so that there are more people seeing it. But it can only be one location per story, though, just so you know.
Got it.
So anyway, kind of a little hack I discovered.
Sounds good, man. Good stuff.
Sweet.
Jack, why don't you go ahead?
Yo, man, I don't have much to report today. I've been tied up out of town all day, but did do a little bit of data wrangling for Mark. Not much, but enough, I guess. Next thing, I'll be moving on and working on the Windows app some more. So that's about all I got.
You're a hero. You saved us.
Hero.
We are eternally grateful.
For those of you guys who are watching, sometimes we run into problems. We freak out and text Jack, and then he comes in with the cape.
It's true. Well, what typically happens is Jacob wrote bad code, which turns into a crash, and then I do something, and I'm like, Jack, I need your help, and then it goes all the way up to him.
No, actually, I write code for like a car, right? And then
I build a Corvette.
Mark wants to do something that flies and expects the car code to work.
And for the record, I designed it like a boat, so
you really can't plan the program.
All right, Johnny B.
But it's always the API's fault.
Yeah, exactly.
I've just been working on the Mac, or not the Mac chat app, the iOS chat app for the 11 course. And it's taken a little bit longer than I hoped. I ran into some things that have been taking me a while to figure out, but it's coming along. Should be done tonight.
Oh, Johnny, you may have gotten past this already, but I had compromised with Evan about not teaching how to make a custom slide-out menu because it was so much code, and instead use a split view controller, which was like already like pre-built.
I just did SW reveal, which had been requested for us to teach anyways, and it's super easy. So I just did that.
Oh, that's like a third-party library kind of thing.
Yeah, it's just a couple of Objective-C code files that you can use.
Okay.
Really well. A lot of people use it. So
I would. And this is for everybody, but I'm really cautious about teaching third-party libraries because things change. And so my recommendation, Johnny, is that when we teach, we fork the repo on Devslopes. Okay. And if we fork it, then we get a copy of it forever, kind of thing. And we always have it. Even if they go down or they change, we have the code that existed at that point in time. And then we tell our students to use our forked version.
Sweet. Sounds good.
Good idea.
Awesome. Good stuff, man. All right, Team Central California. Go ahead.
Jacob.
So we got all of the releases out for iOS and tvOS this morning. So now all the bug fixes are out for the login crash. The pre-release stuff, a little rough start, but we have it all figured out now with how to deal with our data entry for sporadic sections added. So that's pretty good. And then I've just been slave labored, and we're building a half pipe.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. Are you making Nate like carry the huge pieces around with like one
No,
arm?
he just says he only looks bulky and has no useful muscle, so he complains a lot.
Just for show. That's all.
That's funny. What, Nate? Why don't you go ahead?
So yeah, this morning was working on the half pipe, getting the wood, getting it pieces cut and everything, and then I did work on the login onboarding screens. I worked through a little bit of an animation bug that I was having, and there's a couple more things to tidy up, and it should be about done.
Awesome, man.
How's my day?
Sweet.
Good stuff. All right. Jason.
No, he doesn't get to report. He abandoned us.
Twice.
You have
Yeah, right when like work starts, he like has something come up.
what? All right. So why don't you give us a detailed report on why you abandoned everybody?
Well, this morning I had some errands and everything to take care of, and then I showed up at the cool part when everybody was cutting the wood. So I held some boards, and I traced some stuff.
And then where did you go for another hour?
I was only gone for another 20 minutes, please. And then took care of some emails. I did another supply run for some extra stuff that we needed, and then I mailed off our last 2 books to some backers that reached out. And then just a tiny, tiny bit of social media, and that was it. And I took some of the React course from the web development course, kind of going through that. I've been spending some time diving into the admin app just to make it a little bit more user-friendly and not so humongous.
Nice.
So diving into that code. It's fun. React's cool.
That'll help a lot. That's awesome, man.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Money Maker.
This is a good.
Mark.
We've had some really good days. Congratulations, Johnny, on a very a successful course launch. Got a good amount of sales there. People are liking it. Awesome. And also, kudos to team marketing, which is me and Evan and sometimes Caleb when he's helping us out and stuff. Just kidding. But kudos to putting together plans and making it happen. Our sales funnels that we had hunches would work are working, which makes me very, 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 very happy. And I anticipate using them in the future. So we did some good tests there. I'm very happy, very pleased with how that went. And so that's in place. We launched the pre-release, and we did run into problems, but we fixed them, which was good.
Thanks, Jack.
Yeah, thanks. So that's all good. And thank you, Evan, for getting us that lessons video. We started getting crashes, and we're like, shoot, we need to make lessons. And then you had literally 5 minutes before posted that video. It's like, oh, we have it. So,
Oh, sweet.
so that fixed the crashes, and this is really good. So for those of you who are watching, all 4 of you, I guess I should have probably posted a link. For all 4 of you who are watching, if you get the subscription, you can watch pre-release courses, which iOS 11 is currently available right now. And Caleb is about to upload, once his videos are approved, he's about to upload some videos for his Core ML section. He's almost done with that. I'll be done with my AR kit section soon, and Johnny's chugging away. You'll get all of that before the course comes out if you are a subscriber. So that's devslopes.com/subscribe, if you didn't know that. And we've been building a half pipe all day. Basically, we spend too much time driving to San Luis Obispo to go use the skate park in the mornings, at least me and Jason. So we're building it here so we can save a lot more time and get back to work.
Saves us like an hour a day.
Yeah, so that's
Nice.
it.
Sweet.
Nice. That's awesome. My update is pretty quick. I designed a half pipe. Just the look of it. None of the math involved. Contrary to popular belief, I am not good at math. So yeah, it was a good day. I this morning did a podcast with this really cool guy, Nathan Latka. You guys know him. And so hopefully that'll air in the next month or two. But his podcast surrounds like entrepreneurs, his audience is entrepreneurs. So hopefully, we get some traffic there. He's a really cool guy. And then did a bunch of just miscellaneous things like the video, emails, customer support. Let's see, the internal app designs are version 2. Is kind of all now handed off to Simon. He's cranking away on that. He's doing a killer job. Almost done with the iOS 11 designs, and there's a couple more things. But yeah, just little things here and there. But it was a good day.
Hey, Evan, do we have tomorrow's broadcast already scheduled, or should I make a link for that?
Oh, yeah, if you can make the link. We don't have anything scheduled.
Okay, I'll do that. So tune in tomorrow at 3 p.m. for something really cool.
Yeah. All right, guys. Sounds good. Good work, everybody. Good things happening.
I'll
See you guys.
All right.
See you guys
Later.
Bye.